Here you go, Dodge Demon fans. Here is before you the original Dodge Demon, 1971 in B5 blue. This car came from Arizona, as the owner tells me. Numbers match engine, original equipment, air cleaner, everything. And look at it, very, very nice condition. And there's the secret sauce, the 340 Demon. You know, they made these in 6 cylinders, but the high performance 340 V8 variant, about 10,000 of them. And there you see this Dodge Scat Pack sticker. This was the last addition to the Dodge Scat Pack before it was abolished in '71. And looking at the body, this is Dodge's version of the Plymouth Duster. And those rear taillights are iconic. Found only on the Dodge Demon. It's very, very nice. Oh yeah, it's got the tough wheel. The Rally Dash. 71 models were the only ones that had the Rally Dash on them.
I haven't seen him since I got rid of my car. I'm sure he does.
Very nicely done. And here we have it. E55 is your 340. D32 is automatic. LM29H is 340. 1B is Hamtramck. And then you have the rest of the serial number. And yes, it's a B5 blue car from the factory. Presents very well. Very pretty. And look at that Dodge Dart grille. In the Plymouth variant, you would have a Valiant front grille, and then Dodge Demon has the Dodge Dart front grille on it. So there you have it, folks. A beautiful 71 B5 blue Demon. It's as good as it gets here at Englewood Cars and Coffee. Thank you much.